Everybody, it's Renee here, and I am bringing you a video to show you some items or some different books that we've been working on for a while. And I've actually pretty much finished them, and I thought I would show you a couple now, and we'll have a couple more in the next video. So the first ones I wanted to show you, this one, and I've actually tagged it because there's a couple more things I want to kind of put in it. But I showed you the start of it, but I hadn't shown you what I've come up with. And there's going to be a few more things added to this, but I wanted to kind of give you a look at what I'm doing now. So anyways, this hasn't changed much. I did put the metal corners on the ends. I really like this. This was a lot of fun. And this one again was using an Amazon package as our cover. So I'm just going to flip through and show you. Whoops, I'm missing a page here. And all the links, again, to everything I used for digitals is in the description down below. I put that up in the last video, but I will show you again. Some of these, like this one, is a digital, but I did add bits and pieces from books and whatnot in here. This one is a bag I made into a little pocket, and this is stamped and rub-ons and some stickers, some vintage pages. These are just some pictures. These were digitals though. And then this is a Rolodex card, and I think I showed this before, but it's Alfred Lloyd Tennyson, and I typed that myself on my typewriter. And all of my books are going to be available for sale, so you can check out my Scrap Trinkets page on Facebook. If you don't have Facebook, let me know, and I can always put it on Etsy for you. So, or you can see it here and just send me a message and let me know if it's something that you're interested in. That goes with anything I have. This one here, I am going to put, that's why it's flagged, a little bit of ribbon up at the top and some writing papers below. This is Kathy Holden fabric. I believe that one was Kathy Holden, I'm pretty sure. Anyways, some washi. Some digitals. And then here's also a pocket with a digital. Lots of bits and pieces. I love making junk journals. They're so much fun. Hopefully you guys enjoy watching and experiencing my videos as well. I will be adding a few more little bits and pieces to this as well. That's not done, that part. I like to leave a lot of blank pages as well for anybody if they want to document or journal. I don't like filling up all the pages with all the cool old vintage and fun awesomeness. There's a sticker, rub-ons. This one, I am going to put something here, that's why this one's flagged, and these will have ribbons, so these are just pulled out. And there will be some other goodies coming in here as well. This one was a lot of fun too. That's just a scrapbook image, and yeah, lots of fun. This one is going to be priced very reasonable. So yeah, hopefully you'll enjoy that. I just love these digitals. Love them. And then again, there will be a couple more things in that little pocket there. I love this. I love that washi tape. Here's a binder, or a belly band, sorry. belly band, and there will be some goodies in here as well. So this will be chock full of items once I'm completely ready for it to be posted. But if this is a book, a journal that you're interested in, let me know, and I can even put something that you're requesting in here if you're interested in buying it. There will also be some goodies in here as well. And then that's that one. So this one is going to be available here very soon, like within the next day or two. But again, if it's something that you are interested in, let me know, and I will put different things that you would like inside instead of things I think somebody might enjoy. All right, my next one is, let's see, I've got a few here, but I don't want to show them all to you today. It is going to be this one. So this one here, I am going to put some metal corners on here as well, and I'm going to put a metal plate on here and dolly this up a little bit more on the outside. So that is what I'm still doing with this one. And again, so much fun. And I will probably be putting a vintage photo on here and closing that up. Reason I'm showing you this now before I finish is just so you can see the way I'm creating and what I'm doing. And I like to explain it to you instead of just always showing you without showing you what it was like before. So here's a vintage bingo pad, I guess, board. And I may or may not put something on the other side. I might just leave it. This is eco-dyed paper from Scrap Trinkets. This is a digital, I believe that's from TaylorMade Creation or TaylorMade Journals, and it's just put on some lovely parchment. This will have some goodies inside so you can see it through the vintage envelope window. This is something I painted probably 10 years ago. I was in a class we had to do for work, and I actually just, we were creating and painting, and I tried to do it very fast, but it was all watercolors and it was a lot of fun. But yeah, this was just something I made fast, and I kept it and I put it in the book. Some digitals. This one is, I was trying to go for a kind of a fall, end of fall kind of look. This, and then this lifts up. And this also is on eco-dyed paper. And then this one here, it's just a pocket. I believe that is Jasper, Alberta. And then this is vintage. This is from 1910s, somewhere from Windsor, Nova Scotia. So, some goodies in there for you. This is TaylorMade Journals. This pocket, you can't put anything in it. It's just for design and for look. And it was actually, this is scrapbook paper, this pocket. Love this picture. This is Tim Holtz, but I just love that picture. Whoops, skipping out here. Yeah, I love how this one turned out too. I like doing anything with fall though. The fall designs are so much fun. This one, and again, there will be more awesomeness in the different pockets and different pullouts and stuff. This one is for sale as well. This one just makes me laugh. The squirrel looks so angry at the world. Yeah, we keep rehoming squirrels in our yard because they keep destroying my yard and my cars. But I just look at that and I'm thinking, that's the look they seem to give me because they know I'm going to rehome them. But I just think it's hysterical every time I see a squirrel. These two are in this pocket, and I might add another thing to that pocket. Tailor-made journals. I can't remember who is the designer of this line, which you will see throughout here, but it will be in the description down below. This one here has a bunch of stamps in it. I can get them out and show you. There's way more than what I'm pulling out. So we have here lots of George. There's a couple Abes. There are some old stamps from the US in here. So those are in that little envelope. And then that's tacked onto here. So you can use those in your journal or leave them there. Here's a belly band. And there's that one there. This could be a cover of a little book if you wanted to create a book. And then this is from my pal Josie, and she's also on Instagram. So check her out on Instagram. She will be linked down below. And there's her little pull out on that. And I just thought it was so cute. Look how cute that is. Good work, Josie. So check out Josie on Instagram, linked down below. That's there. This card pulls out. You can do some writing, and that's great for hidden journaling. This is a bag I received and something that I bought. So I just left it here. It has some cool stuff, and there's some vintage stuff on the bottom of this from, wow, the 80s, 70s maybe. So that's there, but it is cool nonetheless. Not super vintage on that one, but then this pulls out, and it's a trifold. So you could write something on the other side. You could cut them up and use them in different things. That's in there. And like I said, I didn't want to put too much in here because it'll get packed full of stuff, and you still have to add your own things. So here's one of Scrap Trinkets rusted paper clips. This is from 1960. It is a medical prescription. And then I made this one here from a time card. So there's that. Put that back in like so. I can get that in there. There we go. So much fun. Then here, this is a pocket, and you can put stuff in here. So there will be things in there for whoever the lucky buyer is. And again, I left lots of room for journaling and you to add your own take on things too. And again, there will be the metal corners here as well. So there is that book. So those are the two books I am featuring today. They are both for sale, like I said, and they will come with even more awesome goodies in here. But if you tell me you want to buy them right away, before I actually post them on Facebook, I will let you pick what you would like inside. You can give me an idea and I will put those in there. So check those out. Let me know if that's something that you're interested in. If you want more information, you can send me a message. Either on YouTube or on Facebook. So anyways, if you want, you can even send me an email at createandplaywithrenee@gmail.com. So anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this, and we will chat with you soon. Take care.